Yep. Plus 14y. Okay, so that's perimeter. Now to calculate area, we have to, it's a composite shape. This is called a composite figure, which means it's put together by two different shapes. So I could either draw a dotted line here and have two rectangles like this, or I could draw a dotted line here and have two rectangles like this. Both works. All right. Make your life simple. Do shapes that are nice and easy to calculate. So if I want to find the area of this first rectangle right here, what's the dimension of this rectangle? Yeah. So remember, it's length times width. So the dimension of this first rectangle? Antonia?
4x times 7y.
Yeah, 4x and 7y. All right. What does that give me? 28. XY. Good. Okay. What about the second area? The second one right here? 6x times 3x. So those are my length and width. So 6x times 3y, sorry. And that gives me 18xy. What am I going to do with these two areas now? Yeah, area total is going to be area 1 plus area 2. So 28xy plus 18xy gives you 46xy. Okay. So 1 mark, 2 mark, 3 mark, 4 mark, 5 marks. You should. And it's also on YouTube. No, it's fine. But if you show your work and you make a silly mistake like 1 plus 2 equals 5, then I know it was a silly mistake.
My silly mistakes were thinking 2 is the same thing as 3 and 3 is the same thing as 1.
Yeah. That's why it's good to show steps. Okay, so give yourself a mark out of 40. Okay, add up your total, give yourself a mark out of 40. Okay. How many of you passed with at least 20? That's all. Okay. More than 30. More than 30. All right. More than 36. More than 36 means 90%. And 40. Okay, good job, Bella. All right, so those are, like, this is an overview of what you need to know for tomorrow. So you can see, like, some definitions on these terms of what to do when you multiply, you add the exponents. When you divide, you subtract the exponents. Power to a power, you multiply the exponents. Distributive property, so multiplying in, collecting like terms. And if you're given like a composite figure like this, it's the type of word problem that you might see, where you have to expand and then collect like terms. Okay. So any questions about the test tomorrow? Okay, so we have a small group today. So if there's any questions that you guys have, I can do some one-on-one help with you guys. Otherwise, let me see. Otherwise, let me see if there's extra practice questions on Brightspace that you guys can try.